What's good, guys? Today we're going to talk about aluminum alloys. We'll be talking about the natural oxide layers, pitting in chlorides, and aircraft corrosion. So let's get into this video. Let's do a rewind of the last video though. We talked about the metal grades. The first number of like the series, like 200 series, 2 is a low number versus like 700 series. 200 series is like an economy metal. It's cheaper, but it does the job, like kitchen knife. Kitchen knife is good at cutting vegetables that are like easy to cut, like, right? It's easy to cut lettuce and stuff, but we want to use that metal up in the aircraft, in the space, like in like hundreds of feet in the atmosphere where planes are traveling like 300 miles an hour in either extremely cold conditions or extremely hot conditions. This is when aluminum grade 7075 comes in. This is a powerhouse aircraft alloy mixed with zinc, making it incredibly strong, but it's naturally prone to corrosion still. So its primary defense is a self-healing oxide layer called Al2O3. This forms instantly when it's in the air, but the shield has a major weakness to chloride, like Cl- ions. Pitting happens through a chemical reaction where chloride ions, they aggressively attack and break down the oxide layer at really tiny weak spots called localized pitting. So once that barrier is breached, the underlying aluminum becomes an anode and dissolves rapidly. So an anode is basically where the oxidation reaction occurs. That's when the solid metal atoms gives up its electrons and turns into positively metal ions. So an example of that could be Al turning into Al3 plus 3 electrons. These create, so the site of anode create really deep and hidden holes, and this process is insidious, meaning it's a silent killer that progresses gradually and harmless at first, but with a very dangerous end result. So in aircrafts, these often lead to exfoliation corrosion, and exfoliation is kind of like your skin, right? When you come out of the shower, it like kind of peels off exfoliation. But exfoliation corrosion is a severe type of decay where the corrosion moves along the metal internal grain lines, and this causes the surface to literally blister and peel away just like tree bark. So thank you guys for watching my video. I'm gonna still try to stay consistent, but I have final season coming up. I have 6 finals, and this is what I do outside of school. So school comes first, but I'm gonna still stay consistent. It'll be really quicker. It'll be way quicker videos, like 1 to 2 minutes, but I'll see you guys in the next one.